Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MJ Pharma. Today, we're diving into a highly requested topic, the Hyderquin Plus Cream. This cream has been making waves in the skincare community, and we're here to explore its uses, benefits, and potential side effects. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest skincare discoveries. Let's jump right in. So, what is Hyderquin Plus Cream? It's a skin lightening cream that packs a punch with two active ingredients, hydroquinone and tretinoin. This combination makes it a powerful topical medication for treating various skin concerns, from dark spots to hyperpigmentation and even melasma. Hydroquinone is a common skin lightening agent used to treat conditions such as hyperpigmentation, melasma, and freckles. It works by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of Hyderquin Plus Cream. Reduces hyperpigmentation. First and foremost, hydroquinone in this cream works wonders by reducing hyperpigmentation. It targets the overproduction of melanin, making it effective against those stubborn dark spots caused by factors like hormonal changes, skin injuries, or sun exposure. Enhances skin texture. But that's not all. The addition of tretinoin, a vitamin A derivative, takes things up a notch. It encourages skin cell renewal and boosts collagen formation, resulting in improved skin texture. Say goodbye to rough skin and hello to a more youthful appearance. Anti-inflammatory properties. And let's not forget about the powerful anti-inflammatory compound, mometasone furoate, in the mix. It's a game changer for reducing skin irritation and redness, making it effective in treating various skin disorders, including rosacea, psoriasis, and eczema. Side effects and important considerations. Now, every skincare product comes with its considerations. Let's delve into the potential side effects and important things to keep in mind. Skin irritation. Some users may experience mild skin irritation, redness, or itching. It's crucial to monitor your skin's reaction and, if needed, consult with a dermatologist. Photosensitivity. Due to the presence of hydroquinone, users might become more sensitive to sunlight. Sunscreen is your best friend in this journey to prevent further pigmentation. Always include it in your skincare routine. Consultation with a dermatologist. Before incorporating Hyderquin Plus Cream into your routine, a consultation with a dermatologist is a must. They can guide you based on your specific skin type and concerns. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at Hyderquin Plus Cream, a powerhouse for treating hyperpigmentation, enhancing skin texture, and tackling inflammation. Remember, skincare is personal, so what works for one may not work for another. If you've tried this cream, share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and until next time, stay beautiful.